It is the 19th of January 2024. The time of this video is 16:10 hours, but Turbo's been here since 13:30 hours. He is installing anchor locks into the safe room's retaining walls. We designed and built this property from the dirt up, and one of the things that I wanted was a safe room. The safe room is blast resistant, and it's approximately 1,500 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, and 1 full bath. Because the safe room is blast resistant, it's difficult for Turbo to drill into the retaining wall. The retaining wall has all kinds of special materials in the concrete and behind the concrete that I don't know about. So Turbo has been here for about 3.5 hours. It took him about 2 hours to put up the first anchor, and I think he had to go through 4 drill bits and of course multiple changes in the battery. So now he's working on the second anchor, and this is taking him right now about 1.5 hours.
Get a fresh battery.
It takes up a lot of battery power to drill into this blast resistant retaining wall. The second anchor is just about done. Kryptonite, forget about it, chains and locks that I use for my Ride One Up REVV1 e-bike are pretty difficult to cut through. Sure, the weakest point is probably going to be the lock. But remember, in order to get that lock free, the thief will have to make 2 cuts, because the new Kryptonite forget about it locks, they don't break apart after 1 cut. You actually have to have 2 cuts in order to free up the chain. As I mentioned in my previous video about my security system, the chains are pretty heavy duty, and I am doing the security system as a visual deterrent so that the thief would just look at the system that I'm using, just say, forget about it, I don't want to deal with this particular bike, I'm going to move on to a different bike. And that's the whole goal of what I'm doing, is creating a visual deterrent for the thief not to even want to attempt to steal my bike.
There you go.
All right, Turbo, thanks so much.
Turbo is happy he is finally done in installing the anchors to the blast-resistant retaining wall. What an effort. That took many hours, many drill bits, and multiple battery changes. Bene, molto bene. Mille grazie, Turbo. Ciao tutti e a presto.